Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about history of English. Let's get started. History of English. Basically, English is the language of the people of the England. English language history starts when three tribes of Germany invaded and Britannia. The names of tribes were Angles, Saxon, and Jutes. They forced the people of Britain to follow the rules and regulations of them. At that time, the language of Britain people was Celtic. They were forced to use the language of Germanic tribes, which was English, now pronounced as English, and the Old English was introduced. With the passing time, there became very changes in English. But the biggest change was the change of shorten the words with the help of vowels, and the modern English was introduced. It was the biggest change in the history of English language timeline. If you like this video, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that come all notifications to you at the time.